When a little bird was laying an egg, it got stuck and couldn't come out. The owner helped by gently pressing on the bird's belly. After a long time, the egg finally came out, but the bird was seriously injured, so the owner had to incubate the egg. Thanks to the owner's efforts, the egg hatched successfully. Under the owner's careful care, the baby bird grew quickly, and its feathers gradually filled out. The bird's feathers were the same blue color as its mother's, so the owner named it Blueberry. Blueberry was very smart. From a young age, she knew how to perch on the owner's hand. By the time she was 4 months old, she could recognize her name and even have little conversations with the owner. She also learned how to bark like a little dog. Blueberry loved to be clean and was particularly happy during bath time. After bathing, she would actively dry her feathers and enjoyed it when the owner cleaned her ears. If the owner's hand was nearby, she would snuggle into their palm. The owner's heart was deeply healed by Blueberry's trust and affection.